Isabella, what are you doing? What you doing? What are you doing right now? Tell Daddy what you're doing.
Sprinkles.
What are you putting sprinkles on?
This.
What are those?
And this is making balls. Watching the way making balls like this. We put out the fingers.
What are those gonna be?
It's making everywhere there. And it's turning like this. It's be hot.
And what are they gonna be?
So I'll put those on in the tree. I'm going to roll it like this.
Okay, so you roll it out.
Yeah.
Show Daddy. Roll it out.
Then what do? Okay, then what do?
What's that say?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles.
Oh
Okay.
boy, sprinkles do you this. Sprinkles do this. Watch.
Wow.
Pick some up and throw it on. Say bam. Say bam. 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 Are you done with those ones? Is that good?
Are those gonna be birthday cakes or cookies?
But takes.
Those are birthday cakes? No.
Making.
Those are cookies.
Yeah.
So what are you making? Cakes or cookies? Cookies.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Blow kisses. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.